5 easy ways to earn money using Chat GPT in 2023. Number 5. Content generation. You can use Chat GPT to generate articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and other types of written content for websites and blogs. Number 4. Customer service automation. You can integrate Chat GPT into websites, email services, and other platforms to provide automated responses to customer inquiries. Number 3. AI writing assistance. You can use ChatGPT as an AI writing assistant to help authors and content creators generate new ideas, write articles, and produce other types of written materials more quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Data annotation. You can use ChatGPT to annotate and categorize data for machine learning and AI applications. Number 1. Chatbot development. You can develop custom chatbots for businesses and organizations that make use of ChatGPT's AI technology to provide engaging and informative customer service experiences.